You wake up every day and wonder why diets fail. Why no matter how hard you try, the weight seems to stick. You exercise, restrict, struggle, and still nothing changes. Here's the secret. It's not about punishment. It's about habits. The small daily routines that shape your life without demanding willpower or struggle. The Japanese have mastered this, and their secret lies in consistency, mindfulness, and subtle discipline. Habit 1. Portion control without counting calories. Meals are smaller, balanced, and carefully presented. You eat slowly, savoring every bite. Your body signals fullness naturally without forcing restriction. Habit 2. Tea time. Green tea is not just a drink, it's a ritual. It boosts metabolism, cleanses the mind, and replaces mindless snacking. Small sips, repeated daily, make a huge difference. Habit 3. Walking and movement. From commuting by foot or bike to climbing stairs, activity is built into daily life. It's effortless. You don't go to the gym. You move naturally, consistently. Habit 4. Mindful eating. No screens, no distractions. Every meal is an experience. You notice flavors, textures, and smells. Mindfulness reduces overeating and builds a conscious relationship with food. Habit 5. Fermented foods. Miso, pickles, and natto are rich in probiotics. They improve digestion, boost metabolism, and regulate appetite. Your gut becomes your ally, working silently every day. Habit 6. Routine and consistency. Sleep, meals, exercise. Everything follows a rhythm. Irregularity breeds cravings and fatigue. Consistency keeps your body efficient and your energy steady. Habit 7. Plant-focused meals. Vegetables and seaweed dominate plates. Protein is moderate. Carbs are chosen wisely. Nutrient-rich, low-calorie meals fill you up and nourish every cell. Habit 8. Eating until 80% full. Known as hara hachibu, this simple practice prevents overeating. You stop when satisfied, not stuffed. Discipline is subtle, yet incredibly effective. Habit 9. Daily rituals, not fads. Morning stretches, simple meditations, small walks. These habits cultivate self-control and awareness. They don't feel like effort, but they shape behavior over time. Habit 10. Social and cultural environment. Community meals, shared routines, and cultural respect for food reinforce healthy habits. You are influenced by what surrounds you, often without noticing. These habits aren't extreme. They don't demand willpower. They are invisible forces that protect health, slimness, and energy effortlessly. If you adopt even a few of these consistently, you will see results. Small, mindful, daily actions compound into transformation. It's not about struggling. It's about living smarter. Start today. Take one Japanese habit, integrate it, repeat it, build your life around these effortless routines, and watch your body, mind, and energy change. Slimness is not about sacrifice. It's about mastery of simple, consistent habits that make health inevitable. Take control, start small, transform silently every day.